Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And how was your weekend? Was it good? Okay, that's very great. So, welcome to your numeracy class. Finally, we have, Alhamdulillah, entered into the week 6 of our classes. And today we will be taking the first lesson of week number 6, right? Okay. So tell me, have you guys revised the previous lectures? Yes or no? Raise your hands. Hurry up. Tell me, what were the topics we covered in the previous weeks? Yes. Okay, good. And have you guys revised that as well? Very well done. And tell me, what were the numbers? What were the topics in which you find difficulty, or in which you find revision, or in which there are questions, there are queries? Yes. Any question? No. This means everything is clear. Okay, very well done. Okay, so today we will be starting with a new topic, and I have not written the name of the topic on the board. Why? Because I want you guys to identify that. Okay, so look at the board very carefully and tell me, are you guys familiar with these signs? Yes, yes or no? Yes. Have you seen these signs before? Okay, so tell me, have you guys seen these signs before? Yes. Are you guys familiar with these signs? What does this sign means? This sign, okay, this sign represents 2 greater than, and this one represents 2 less than, and this is the sign of equal to. Yes, remember? Okay, good. So today we will be discussing the topic greater than, less than, and equal to concept. Okay, so tell me, how many of you knows that if the number is, which number is greater? If the number two, there are two numbers given to you, so what would be the sign we will be using to show the greater number, or how it will be drawn? Any idea? Okay, no problem, we will do it together. Okay, so let's say we have two numbers, the one is 79 and the other number is 72. And if somebody asks you which number is greater, how will you draw the sign? There are two numbers, 79 and 72. And if somebody asks you to tell which is the greater number, how will you draw that? Or how will you show that? The number which is greater is written over there. 79 is greater than which number? Then 72. Got it? Because 79 is greater, so we have this open side of crocodile mouth would be toward 79. And because 72 is a small number, so this corner side, this closed side would be toward 72. Got it? Okay. Now you will be practicing different numbers for memorizing this concept. Now I'll be writing different numbers in front of you, and you would be writing them in form of that you are supposed to write the number in the way that the open side of crocodile mouth would be toward the number which is greater, and this closed side, this corner, would be toward the number which is smaller. Okay, okay, there is one more technique to memorize this concept. Let's say if you get confused about how should we use the sign, or which is the sign for greater one, so there is this small technique, because less than starts with L. Now look at this shape. This number would be, which the number which is smaller, you will write, let's say these are two numbers and 72 is smaller, so you will write 72 and you will draw less than L in front of that, of less than, and the number greater would be written opposite to that. Is it a good technique? Yes or no? Now you can easily memorize this, right? Because less than starts with L. So whichever the number which is smaller, which is less than the other number, you will write an L in front of that. So in this way, you can easily memorize that how to use these signs. Got it? Okay, good. Now open your books. And another thing which we will be discussing today is equal to. Now, as you can you must have an idea, you must get an idea through the name of it, that equal to means that the two numbers which are equal to each other, this means that which are same, we will be using this sign. Let's say there are three numbers, the one is 4 and 6, the other pair is 7 and 9, and the last pair is 6 and 6. And if somebody asks you which pair is equal to each other, so which is equal to each other? Excellent. 6 and 6 is equal to each other. How you get to know this? That on both sides the numbers are same. So you will write 6 over there and 6 over there. Got it? The numbers which are equal to each other, or the numbers in a pair which are equal to each other, which are same, are considered to be as equal to each other. Okay. So now there is a small video that will help you memorize this concept in a better way. So let's watch the video together. I'm going to share the screen with you. Let me know if it is visible to you. Show me a thumbs up. Okay, good. Let's watch the video.
Hello children, how are you today? Today we will learn about less than and greater than numbers. So let's start. Less than also has a symbol and greater than has a symbol like that. 1 donut, 2 donuts, 3 donuts. Oh, 1 chocolate donut, 2 chocolate donuts, 3 and 4 chocolate donuts. So we have 1, 2 and 3 plain donuts and 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolate donuts. So 3 is less than 4. Or 4 is greater than 3. Both things apply here. Less than and greater than.
Okay, so you have seen the video in which the same concept was explained, right? That the numbers for the less than concept for the number which is less than or which is smaller, we use an L-shaped symbol in front of that. And similarly, the open part of this crocodile mouth or the open part of this symbol is toward the number which is greater or which is higher. Got it? Okay. So now open your book, page number 25. Remember, we were doing some practice exercises related to whatever we have done so far, right? So this is another practice exercise. Up till now we are revising the concepts, we are revising the topics which you have already covered in your previous grades. Okay, so this is also one of those topics. And the very first question says that give the number that is one more than. Now in this you are supposed to give only one greater number. Let's say whatever the number is given to you, will add one in that and then tell the next number. Let's say the number given is 799. You will add one into this, where we will write one over here. And how did we get this idea? Because we will be writing the placing values over this, and from there we get the idea that one will not be written on this side but on this side. So through this, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry again, and 7 1 8. So the number is 800. Similarly, if you add 1 to 768, what would be the answer? 769. Very well done. If we minus 1 from 650, the number is 650 and you are supposed to minus 1 from this. How will you minus this? You will carry 1 from there, it would turn into 10. Now 10 minus 1, 9. The remaining numbers are 4 and this. See, the number is 649. Got it? Now the second question says that signs are used to compare numbers. The similar signs that I have drawn for you on the board are given over there as well. It says that the equal to sign is this one, right? Two lines. These are drawn to represent if two numbers are equal to each other or if two numbers are same. Then there is this greater sign, and the sign which shows the greater number is that we use or we draw it in this way, that the open part of its mouth is toward the greater number, and similarly the closer part is toward the smaller number, right? Okay. different number of digits. Now, another technique to know which number is greater or which is smaller is that you first, let's say you are given with two numbers. Let's say the first number is three-digit number, which is 300, and the second number is two-digit number, which is 20. And you are asked that which number is greater or which is smaller. So how will you explain this? From where you get an idea that which is greater number? The very simple technique is that just look for the number of digits. This number have three number of digits and this have two number of digits. So this is very simple technique to get the idea that the number which have larger number of digits would always be greater than the this. So now if we write these numbers again and tell which number is greater than the other, 300 over there and 20, which is greater this. So see, the open part or the open mouth of crocodile is toward the greater number. Got it? Now I'll be giving you few numbers. Write them on your notebook and tell me, use the greater than, equal to, or less than signs for that. Okay, the first number is 27, second one is 39, 20, 25, 17, 17. Hurry up. Write them on your notebook and use the less than, greater than, and equal to signs to represent which is smaller number, which is greater, and which is equal to each other. Hurry up. So are you done? Yes. Show me your work. Okay, first look at this pair, 27 and 39. Which number is greater? Yes, Elise. 39. So how will you draw the sign in front of that? Show me. Excellent. Okay, who is going to tell me about the second pair, 20 and 25? Which number is greater? 25. So how will you draw the sign? Very well done. And now look at the last pair, 17 and 17. Which number is greater? Yes? No? Is there any less number? No. So this pair is equal to each other. Excellent. So which sign we will be using? This one, right? Okay, class. So that was all for today. What we practiced today, we practice equal to, less than, and greater than concept. What is your home assignment? You are supposed to practice the same signs with different numbers. I'll be checking that in tomorrow's class, inshallah. Do revise this. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Share this video with others because it's free learning. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.